Hello friends, today we are going to learn about NCERT Class 8 Geography Lesson number 1, which is Resources. Welcome to Sherville Education. Resources. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. Meaning of utility is the state of being useful, profitable, or beneficial. The meaning of usability means the degree to which something is able or fit to be used. Some resources can be economically valuable with time. The meaning of having economic value means the maximum amount of money any agent will pay for a good or service. Time and technology are two important factors that can change substances into resources. Both are related to the needs of people. Example, first one, the discovery of fire led to the practice of cooking. Second one, the invention of wheel led to the development of transport. Types of resources: natural resources, renewable resources, non-renewable resources, human-made resources, human resources. Natural resources. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. Please don't be confused here, because much modification doesn't mean that no modification is done, but it means that few modification is done. The air we breathe, the water in our rivers and lakes, the soils, minerals are all natural resources. Natural resources can be broadly categorized into two types: renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. These resources get renewed and replenished quickly. Careless use of certain renewable resources like water, soil, and forest can affect their stock. Water seems to be unlimited renewable resource, but shortage and drying up natural water resources is major problem. Non-renewable resources. These resources have limited stock. Once the stocks are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. Examples of non-renewable resources are coal, petroleum, and natural gas, etc. Human-made resources. The resources made by human are called human-made resources. Example, rickshaw, buildings, trucks, etc. Human resources. Humans are interdependent on each other. That is why human beings are a special resource. People are human resources. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource. Improving the quality of people's skills so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. Conserving resources. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.